So I came to IIT in 2012. So I was there from 2012 to 2016. So just 4.5 years. It was a very short time, but then I think most important lessons of my life I've learned at Sir's home. So I'm extremely grateful to him. Sir called me up and said, "You have to come," but I was not able to make it because I had to go out of country on some official trip. And then just one day before, Mataji called me up and said, "You have to come." So then she said only one thing, कि इतना busy हो गया क्या life में? I was just thinking कि am I so busy? So I called up my boss and I told him that you do something, I'll have to take a leave of 2-3 days. And then they cancelled and rescheduled the trip on that. So I'm very fortunate to be here amongst all of you. So I think the most important, Sir said, what is the core value that you carry from IIT Sangha? I think the most important thing that I've learned is the love and sacrifice that Sir and Mataji have made. I think that is what I carry because so much of love they've given all of us, so much of sacrifice they've done. It is easy, like I think somebody was mentioning, I don't know, it's Prabodhananda, Bhakti Samrit Swami Maharaj was mentioning, a brahmachari, it might be easy for him to preach because he's already renounced, so, but for a grihastha to preach like Sir and Mataji, it is amazing. They have opened up their doors for everyone. Just like they say, Srila Prabhupada has built a home in which the whole world can live in. Sir and Mataji have built a home in which whole campus can live in. So the doors are open from 4 o'clock in the morning, and then sometimes on Saturday programs it's open till 12 o'clock, 12:30. They have absolutely no privacy, I'm sure, even now. Like they've given up their, we used to move freely in their bedrooms, use their personal bathrooms, and they've showered us so much love on us, which I think more than their own kids. Whenever I think of it, I'm like, there are tears in my eyes, so much of love. Spiritual love. How can anybody show more love than their own children? I think Sir has spent more love given us more love than his own children. I think he spent more time for us than his own kids. And then whatever they cooked for themselves, they fed us. And it's nothing like they fed very simple khichdi for us and then they would cook exotic dishes. Rather, it used to be the other way. They used to eat very simple things and we used to get the most exotic dishes. So having prasadam in their home. So I think the core value that I carry from Sir and Sir's preaching here is the sacrifice that you can move, the sacrifice that you can make to spread the mission of Srila Prabhupada. Like it was Srila Prabhupada who went to US and then just by his chanting under Tompkinson Square Park, he built this whole organization, ISKCON organization. And then Vaishnava Maharaj bol rahe the ki the most attractive quality in Leela Purushottam Prabhu to me is his chanting. So Sir just came to IIT Kanpur alone and then Maharaj bol rahe the ki Vaishnava Maharaj, he would get up early in the morning, wherever he is, he would chant sincerely. I think he chanted sincerely in IIT Kanpur and now in front of us we see this big, 300 and 400 devotees. So I think it's a lesson for all of us if we can chant and then sincerely try to spread the message of Lord, and then I think success will be there. It's just maybe we are not trying. At least I don't think I'm trying, but maybe not as dedicatedly as Sir or something. If we chant nicely and we sincerely try to preach, and that's what Sir always tells us, all of us, that all of you have to become preachers and all of you have to go out and make centers like this. It's just not, it shouldn't stop with IIT Kanpur or IIT Patna, but it should spread. I think Sir's core heart is in preaching. He is very much into preaching and he carries the mission of Prabhupada. I have always thought what it is to be Srila Prabhupada's man. What it is to be Srila Prabhupada's man, I've always thought about it. What will actually get us closer to Srila Prabhupada? So, I've not been closer to any big sannyasi, never. But then I think to me, Sir is Srila Prabhupada's man to me. And he's Srila Prabhupada's man. I think whenever I think about him, I think he's Srila Prabhupada's man. I think that to me, whenever I remember about Sir, I think he's Srila Prabhupada's man. He's given his whole life, entire, being an IIT professor, being a grihastha, one can do so much. And then, I don't know if Mataji is here, but half of his success at IIT Kanpur preaching should equally go to Mataji because she has done so much of sacrifice. It's not easy for a grihastha to open up one's doors and then let everybody come in. There's no privacy at all. We used to be there till 12 o'clock, 11:30, Saturday, cooking, cleaning vessels, and then, so I think amazing sacrifice and love. And I think all of us should imbibe the same spiritual love for Srila Prabhupada and his mission, and the extent one can actually make sacrifices to make Srila Prabhupada happy. Thank you very much. I've spoken more than what I should. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much, sir. This 4 years of my stay were, I think, the most important years for me in my whole life. I think I'm very, very glad to sir, extremely thankful for his love. And it's just like a Vedic Gurukul. The mother is very merciful and father is strict. एक बार सर ने बोला है कि माताजी सर was scolding me, and then माताजी said, क्यों डांट रहे उसको? तो सर ने बोला, यही मेरा प्यार है. So to scold is my love, and then I think we can actually benefit a lot from his chastisement, because we don't get anybody chastised like that. आज महाराज बोल रहे थे, you chastise only those whom you love. So I think whenever we receive chastisement, we should feel happy. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Sorry, I spoke too much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Venkat was doing PhD. He finished his PhD in IIT Kanpur. And when he was there, he used to handle all the students. Normally when, as a professor, as a faculty member, you have so many responsibility. And you travel also here and there. So you trust someone. So he was a trusted member of our group. And but I missed his wife, Lasmi. She is not here. Thank you very much, Venkat, coming. The idea here is that why we celebrated 20th year, not because that something big has happened. Brahmaji is, as I told you, preaching for last 150 trillion years. It is not. The main purpose is to appreciate Krishna's internal potency, that how he has created a mechanism by which we all flourish. And this is what we have to do. We have to, and you are all busy. You are all busy. Everybody is busy in this world, right? We also, we have Dwarkanath Prabhu. I don't know how he does his work as a CA, but he is always there for different services. Sometime in Ludhiana, sometime in Chippiwada, sometime in Karagar, and you see him last 4 or 5 days he's with us in Gurukul. So he's there everywhere. So everybody is busy, but Sangha means when we come together and stay together, chant together, and share that spirit, right? So this is very important for us to remember. So Radhakant, you should tell me who is the next in the line.
हरे कृष्णा। तो हमारे आईटी कानपुर संघ के सबसे पहले डिवोटी हरिकेश प्रभु हैं, जो कि सर को 2001 दिसंबर में मिले थे। और सबसे पहले हम प्रभु जी शुरुआत करेंगे। प्रभु जी आके सर से अपना गिफ्ट कलेक्ट करेंगे और हाँ, और अपना रियलाइजेशन थोड़े शब्दों।
हरे कृष्णा। अभी इतना इन्वॉल्व था ये प्रोग्राम are coming to an end. I would like each one of you to come forward, speak in brief, and then we will Binayak gift leke aao, or please collect your gift. Given the situation and the expansion, we have very limited time. We would have liked this to be as big as possible. और परंतु समय के अभाव है. Some other time, maybe after lunch, if all of you are still here, some of you, we can have some discussion. but I will start with Harikesh Prabhu. He is the boy who came on, I think, 14th or 15th of December. 10th though I joined. You came in 2-3 days only. So before 15th of December he came and मेरा कमरे में आया, बताया कि मैं member हूँ, और तब से he was my regular Mangala Arati Sangha in my house in first SBRA and then 322. Harikesh, up to you.
So, anyway, this is not something that we can speak just in a few words and a few minutes. I personally feel so grateful and it gives me so much joy. I would never have imagined at that time, I was very new, that in a day will come when we will have this kind of association. So, but more than that, what has it been accomplished? Very little, but it gives me so much hope, so much inspiration, how the future will be like. And this must be very, very pleasing to Srila Prabhupada and the Guru Parampara. And we are all eternally grateful for Sir and family and for all this wonderful association. And if we can dedicate ourselves fully for this mission, that is the only way we can please and repay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Harikesh. Thank you so much. Did you get a hoodie? You have taken a hoodie? You have taken? Okay. Thank you. Harikesh के लिए 3 times Haribol. Mukundan, Sanjay, jaldi jaldi आओ. We have no time literally. Sorry, I have to hurry up so much.
Hare Krishna. So I got Sir's wonderful association in BITS Pilani back in 95. And I'm actually not at all qualified to speak in this gathering because I didn't follow Sir's instructions for a long time. Even though I got his association so long time back, I was following his instructions while at college, but after that, I got caught up in other things, and fortunately, Krishna's plan was such that, it's a long story, but fortunately, I got attracted to Krishna consciousness once again, maybe about 10 years back, and then I wanted to get back in touch with Sir, and it's very easy to find Sir's email ID on the internet. So, I was able to get back in touch with Sir, and from then on, my life has been totally transformed. I'm still learning, and I'm still, practicing, trying to, become a devotee. But I'm confident that with the association of devotees like who I met here, so many wonderful devotees, and with Sir's guidance, I'm sure I'll become a devotee one day in this lifetime. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Mukundan, gift. What? Everything. Everything you got. You've taken because you are afraid that I may not get my share. Thank you. See, we had this Gitanusilanam competition. His 2 children were the winner. You see, in different category. And he was also the winner in the adult category. So basically, his whole family have been soaked into Krishna consciousness. Thank you. Thank you for coming. He could not bring his family members because the exams are going on. This board exam and blah, 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 blah. Okay. Sanjay. He is a crazy. So, Ranjan, come. Raman Manohar. He came to my room, said, control system is good or power system is good. I want to do, power electronics. But I think I should do my research in control system. I am not very sure. What should I do? I said, you come and join in our Bhagavad Gita program.
Hare Krishna. So, sir, when he came here, I saw in the notice board that it is Dr. Lakshmindhar Behra. So, I thought I am also Behra. So, I may get a good grade. So I came to sir's room and asked, sir, from where you came? Sir told, I came from Germany. I told, from there you will get lot of money. Why you came here? Sir asked me, is money is everything for you? I told, yes. So then sir asked, what you do in the evening? I told, 4 rounds in our stadium. He told, why? I told, body should be very good. So sir called me to his house, and when first he told, you sit down, sir went inside, changed to dhoti and kurta, and I was just astonished to see. And whole the way while coming from sir's house to my room, I was only laughing only. That he is a professor, but wearing dhoti kurta is like a pagal, like I thought. But then sir called me regularly, and although I was not so qualified, sir always engaged in all activities. And every time I used to go to sir's house because I was sleeping in Bhagavatam class, sir will tell me to stand. Even if while standing, I will sleep also. So I will watch everything. Every day I will holding from sir for hearing Bhagavatam. But I will always go to sir's house, even if it is. So like that, sir engaged me in cooking. So I was doing marketing, cooking, plus cleaning till 11 o'clock, till 2006. I will cook with sir or Mataji, or then clean, do marketing as well as cleaning till 11 o'clock. And Radhakant Prabhu will invite, we will also invite. Like that, sir engaged, and sir is very merciful. Wherever I went, sir came there also. So even in Patna, many times he came, and last time he met. So he empowers every day, like he calls always, are you doing like this? That's why I could able to do some preaching activity there by the blessing of sir. Sir, thank you so much. You have given me life.
Thank you, Ranjan. 3 times Haribol for Ranjan. Hare Krishna. So Ranjan has converted IIT Patna into Golok Vrindavan. So, Radhakant, can you figure out who are all our earlier people? Devendra Upadhyay is there. Pavan, you come. Pavan, you come. राधाकांत को तो लास्ट बोलेंगे ना. देवेंद्र आ जाओ, विकास, पुराना सब आ जाओ पहले. Rahul, Pavan, Basu Ghosh Prabhu was there, na? Basu Ghosh Prabhu conducted first Sanskrit seminar, and that time Pavan was first Pavan came when Bhakti Brat Bhagavat Maharaj was giving a seminar, and then even Basu Ghosh Prabhu came. He also joined in that spoken Sanskrit, and incidentally I took him to the first Sanskrit conference happened in Paris, and now he is a Sanskrit professor in IIT Kharagpur. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So, thank you, sir. So, I don't know what to say. So, IIT Kanpur has always been a home for me since I came in 2003. 4 years I stayed, and even 5 years I stayed, and even after that, it has always remained a home with Sir and Mataji as my parents. But yeah, from my side, I have not. Sir had a lot of hopes from me. I may not have been able to do anything till now, but what I want to say is that I have seen how tolerant Sir is throughout my stay. I have seen. I'm like a person who had literally no common sense even. So, I can't even imagine sitting here and talking in front of, say, 100 plus people. I can't think. I would do that any day. But whatever I am, materially, spiritually, is all because of Sir. And Sir has tolerated so many mistakes I have made. Not even simple ones, even big mistakes. But Sir has always been so merciful. Even that makes me hopeful that yes, Sir is there, and Sir is always so merciful for me. So, Sir, kindly bless me and forgive me for all the mistakes I have done. Sorry.
Thank you. Actually, Pawan, Abhay Chaitanya and Radhakant are so expert. For last 2 years, they are working on this souvenir. And still souvenir is locked in the ebook form. And when you'll get a copy in your thing, I have to tell that we have some copies of Bhagavad Gita study guide. So those who want to have a first copy, please grab it. And then we will have more copies anyway. So thank you, Pawan. Thank you very much for being a very humble soul. We had done Rajasthan trip. In Rajasthan trip, Vikas was the organizer. Vikas is the organizer. And Vikas was envious why we gave so much of spare time in the house of Pawan. Okay. Vikas, he would be remembered in IIT Kanpur for solely organizing the Rajasthan trip with the guidance of Pradhan Maharaj.
Thanks a lot, sir. When I joined IIT Kanpur, I remember initial days we had very good association of Rajan Prabhu, Shashi Shankar Prabhu was there, Harikesh Prabhu.
Sasi?
He just left.
He left.
So I had fortune of to receive the love of Sir, Mataji, and the wonderful association of the devotees. Radhakant Prabhu was there. He was always pushing us to come to. Those who know Radhakant Prabhu from those days, they know that how ferocious he was. Like coming to hostel 2, hall 3, he was very much being like the students of our batch was very much scared of Radhakant Prabhu when he entered. So it was a wonderful experience, sir. And I must thank you and Mataji for your love, care and affection. It was all because of your love that I could continue in Krishna consciousness. And it was, when I was joined by Vipin later on in year 2006.
His younger brother is Vipin. He is also devotee. His father, mother are initiated. So his whole family. I have gone to his house. We have conducted some program a couple of times.
Yes. So in fact, after 2006, it has been the journey has gone upward. I was joined by Vipin, then Virendra was also there. So both of them have joined, and I was very much pleased and happy that they were received with much love and affection by Sir, Mataji, and whole community. Rajan Prabhu was there, Ranjan Prabhu was there, Radhakant Prabhu, all the senior devotees, Vipin, Pawan Prabhu, Devendra Prabhu, all of them showered their love and care to both of them. So that love is still being carried forward. And then after that, all of you know that Vipin has been though I do not interact with much of you, I mean, he has been the one who has been keeping the connection with the Bhaktivedanta Club alive. I'm not devoting so much time, and I am not directly interacting with many of you, but the love and affection is always there, and that is the thread which binds all of us, I think. And sir and Mataji are the one who is, I mean, all of us have gone to different places, and we have gone to different professions, but I think the common thread which binds all of us is sir and Mataji. So I thank both of them from bottom of my heart, and thanks a lot, sir.
Hare Krishna, Vikas. Where are your family members? You came alone?
I came with my son. He's playing outside.
He's playing outside. Okay. Thank you. You should have got your son also. Anyway. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Vikas. He was a very humble guy. You would never see he's becoming angry or this or that. So nice to see you, Vikas, here. When we went to Chennai, I suddenly found that he has shifted from Pune to Chennai, and he was crying that I'm suffering from stress of what is it called? Corporate stress. So is that gone now? You are stabilized? No? Accepted the truth. So better focus. One thing I complain all of our alumni is that we have now a regular online program. Why don't you join? What is happening to all of you? Why you don't join? This is my request to all of you. We are doing without fail. 6:30 to 8:30, 2 hours are spent. That would keep you. And suddenly, in a spur of moment, you lose all taste to this material world. And that is why we are here, to lose all our taste for the material world. It's so important. Okay. Devendra is a big scholar. He's a dual degree student. And in dual degree, he published some 3-4 international papers. But I don't know, he became an international man. And I thought probably he should go become a professor. Very few I thought that they will become professor and will carry out the legacy. And I didn't find any trace of that. He was lost in simply earning money and getting a nice flat in airport in Bangalore. I'm kidding. But that's what all we do. Devendra, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, sir. Thank you very much. As everyone else said, we left one home and we got another home in IIT Kanpur. And Sir and Mataji has been so wonderful to all of us. And today also I feel, there is not a single day when I don't remember Sir. I cannot pass any day. My wife and I always talk, and all the good memories we have, I have in this association. And Sir gave so many, without any qualification, Sir gave so many opportunities. I remember we were talking, first Janmashtami in this land, and Raman Manohar Prabhu and Radhakant Prabhu told Sir that this time probably Devendra can become overall coordinator. So I was the first overall coordinator for the Janmashtami without any qualification. And that event was attended by more than 10,000 people. There was no place to park the car even on the road, that night during the Janmashtami. Another event we had on this land, just to refresh my memory, we invited Agricultural University and Medical College student, and yesterday we were talking, and we went around 4 o'clock to those campuses and to bring the students, and we have been canvassing for that event for a few days. And we went to the campus, and most of them were running from one room to the other. They were, so when we go and knock the door, they will quietly get up and go to the other room and sleep. So somehow we got few students, and Sir had a big plan that, we should engage them for a few days here, and they should have this retreat.
and Devamrit Prabhu that time was invited, and that program I think went for 1 hour. I think initial lecture, and then they had prasadam. After prasadam, they started they washed the hand, and then one by one he started leaving. And I still remember Rajesh Prabhu was the in charge to take the feedback after every session, and they all are running, and Rajesh Prabhu is rushing behind them to take the feedback. So sir asked why Rajesh is running behind them. So we said, sir, he's trying to take the feedback. And sir said, isn't that enough feedback already? So we had so many trips. I remember we did Khadusa trip, and we can see the care sir has given to all of us. Lot of students joined that trip, had no experience of village setup, how to conduct ourselves, when we don't have adequate facility, for example, morning routines and things like that. And I remember sir, took most of us, with torch light and things like that, how to, go and, be careful here and do this, do that. So that kind of care we have seen throughout from day one. I mean, yesterday also, Vaishnav Mahara was saying that if we are not getting the chastisement from sir, we feel incomplete actually. And I remember, I think yesterday or day before, yesterday only, my memory is fading. Yesterday only, day before yesterday, Prabodhanand Maharaj was doing the kirtan, and I had to go and give water to my son. So, sir noticed that I'm not around during the kirtan. Sir messaged me in the WhatsApp, where are you? Why you're not in the kirtan? And that kind of care I cannot get from my father also. And that is what binds us. And it is very emotional, and maybe I'm not able to follow exactly what sir wanted from all of us, but that feeling and that emotion is always there, and it cannot go without. I will feel emotional if I go on that track, but the kind of gratitude, we cannot express the gratitude which we have towards Mataji and sir, the kind of care. I remember sir took us to Vrindavan for 15 days trip, and we didn't know nothing. And I remember, we were going with very strict schedule and staying in the VVT, and Amars Prabhu that time, and Shobit Prabhu, Subkrishna Das Prabhu, and myself, 3 of us, and then Radhakant Prabhu was there. And we were not able to cope up at all. And I remember there were 2 cots, and 3 of us had to share. And Subkrishna Das Prabhu found a very unique way to hide from sir, and sir was in another room, so he segregated the 2 cots and he sleep in between, so that in the daytime also he can sleep. And sir brought one day, I think sir was chanting, and he noticed that he's sleeping, and we were all sleeping, but somehow we were quickly got up, but he was sleeping nicely. So sir got a bucket of water and poured on him. And that time I remember Mataji said that, they have come first time here. They are not able to cope up. So why don't you take them to, other temples also, and, for visiting the Vrindavan temples. And sir took us. And it was a hot summer, and I still remember in Radha Damodar temple, we were doing the parikrama of the temple, and sir asked, tell me all the 6 Goswamis' name. And I missed one. I got confused, Raghunath Das, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, and Gopal Bhatta Goswami. So one name I missed. And sir got angry. Sir said, get down. So there is a white, that thing where you can walk, you don't feel heat in the summer. So sir said, stand there for some time. And I was boiling and jumping there for some time. But these are the memories we carry along, and the kind of care, and we understand the intention and motives behind that. And I always, for anything, I'm not qualified, but sir always remembers and calls me. This time also I was confused. Sir mentioned yesterday in the class also that I should come alone or with the family. And sir gave me a call, and that was a touching moment. And immediately I decided that, I should go and book the ticket. Of course, later again, I got confused a little bit. But the kind of care sir has shown to all of us, and I think that is a story with everyone. It's not just me. And sir, I'm very grateful to you and Mataji. And I hope without any qualification, you will keep showing that care and to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Devendra. Time Aglani. So go and take prasad.
Last one. So initially I was cooking with sir, and now sir and that time sir is a lot of difference. So as soon as there is utensil utilized, quickly you have to clean it. So clean again, keep everything was so neat, so clean, and sir, that time very strict. I purchased a suji, 2 kilo for halwa, and there was one insect. Sir told, stand there. From outside, sir poured the suji. There in the garden only. And sir taught me halwa. Now in IIT Patna, halwa is number 1. If you give... So many iterations sir gave at least after 10 times. Sir told, no, today suji, today upma, like that. At last one day sir told, yes, it is halwa. 1 kilo ghee, 1 kilo suji, 2 kilo sugar. So that is the halwa content sir taught, and I am very thankful. Thank you, sir.
Hare Krishna. Sir. Okay, fine. Where are your students? They were left?
They're in service.
But so when is your train? 5 o'clock. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay. You have taken prasadam? Yes, go take prasadam. Yes. Next, Radhakant. Govind आओ. संजय जी यार, अरे कहाँ तुम भागते हो? वीरेंद्र है, वीरेंद्र नहीं है?
हरे कृष्ण.
हाँ.
हरे कृष्ण.
सब आगे आ जाओ, संजय आगे आ जाओ. हाँ.
हरे कृष्ण. Actually, जब मैं when I joined IIT, I was not so much practicing. Actually, from the in our orientation program, Ranjana Prabhu called me that there is a professor who is organizing some spiritual program. You can come. Though I was inclined to spiritual things, but I was not so much aware of that ISKCON and so our philosophy, Bhagavad Gita. I was not aware. And somehow I came to the program and I saw sir. Actually, throughout my stay in IIT, I was not practicing properly. Sometimes sir was also chastising. But after pass out, one day I came to sir's house and he took me to Bithor Sur, there is Hanuman temple. And on the way we discussed, I told sir that I am not able to practice properly, sir, what to do. Sir told me that I have brought you to the bank of river and you have to drink water. You have to drink. I thought I am going to Ganga and I have to drink. Then after leaving, and I realized that sir has given the seed of inspiration in everyone's heart. Whoever has come in contact with sir, everyone is empowered, I thought. And that day I started some practicing seriously. And sometimes sir saved me many things, many dangerous situations. One time I was forced to go to foreign countries like Nigeria, and sir suggested something, and that cannot be discussed here. So I am very much grateful. And in the beginning, though I was not expert in preaching, devotees told me that you can make garlands. So in a sir's house, I was making garlands. and I was waiting to the prasadam which will be made after finishing garland. So it was very tasty, and that's why I used to make everyday garlands and collect flowers from the garden. So I'm very much grateful to sir. I want to say something that just like Prabhupada is the Satyaves Avatar, and sir is Satyaves empowerment of Srila Prabhupada. So what I realize, and sometimes I even sir's chastisement I am fearful, and in the dreams sometimes I see sir. And I'll share one real practical incident with me. Actually, I am staying near Dwarka ISKCON temple. I used to do some service there. So I will get some good service. Maybe I may not like, but I will get some service. I'll get. So one day I saw sir is very happy and taking me somewhere. And that day I got some good service, which is I like that service. And sometimes I see sir's face, which is very fearful, and that day I will not get proper service. That is the case with me. So I know sir is always thinking about us, and I am not capable. I am not so much. I cannot. I have no words to thank to sir, which is very much working with us and which is blessing us every time. So I request sir to forgive me for any mistakes, and please pray for me so that I can progress in spiritual life. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Govind. Actually, Govind and his wife got initiated recently by Jayapataka Maharaj. And if I have to stay in Bangalore, I have selected Devendra Upadhyay's room. And because it's very near to airport, and as far as Delhi, then Govind Sethi. Hare Krishna. Sanjay, तुम हाँ जाओ प्रसाद लेके जाओ. हाँ ठीक है.
Hare Krishna. So I met sir in 1997 in BITS Pilani. So sir had come from, after doing his PhD from IIT Delhi, he started his journey as a preacher in BITS Pilani. So in 1997, one of the, I think I and Madhav, Jadav, there was another student. So we too went to sir's Bhagavad Gita class in the evening. So prior to that, I had learned Bhagavad Gita, the recitation of verses in my school days, right? There used to be a Panditji who used to come when I was studying in Calcutta. So after the class, sir used to ask all the new students to introduce themselves. So he asked me that he called me right after all the students had gone, and he said, "Do you know something like that? Do you know Bhagavad Gita?" I said, "Yes, I know Bhagavad Gita." And I was reciting this verse, "Karmaneva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana." And I was just saying the normal thing, do your duty, that's that kind of thing. And then sir completely defeated me there. And I was thinking right at that time. And then after that interaction, we had poha, right? At that time, sir was a bachelor, and right, and that poha and milk was there, and that was very special. I found something unique in that prasadam because I was eating prasadam for the first time. And then we were going back, Jadav and I, we were going back and we were discussing about the prasadam, right? And that there was something unique. The first thing which was unique is as soon as we entered, Gaur Aarti was going on. And the boys and the girls were jumping very high. So I was standing in the center, not sure what to do. And then sir was very serious, grave with that incense sticks. Like this he was looking at. He was really, fearful what to do. But then after the class, we got introduced, right?
The main thing which I want to highlight is, as Prabhupada says, purity is the force. And Sir's life has been a life of extreme purity. I was reading Bhagavad Gita, and in Bhagavad Gita, Prabhupada writes in the purport, this word asamshayam, right? Asamshayam, without doubt. He uses this word, Krishna uses this word again and again, right? Like 7.1, this asamshayam samagramma yatha gyasya shrinu. So asamshayam, without doubt. So Prabhupada, I was reading the purport, and then suddenly I read through this one line, which says, a person who is not devoid of all sins cannot be without doubt. Right? A person who is not devoid of all sins, he cannot develop this without doubt mentality. It is not possible. And in Sir, I saw a person who is beyond doubt that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. If we hear Prabhupada's lectures, Prabhupada stresses on this point that if you realize that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead without doubting, then you know everything. 15th chapter, last verse, right? He says, one who knows Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead without doubting, he knows everything. So that personality is Sir. It is very, very rare to find such a personality. Very, very rare. Like it is said in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Brahmana Brahmite Kaun Bhagyavan Jeev, Guru Krishna Prasada Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Very, very rare to come across a pure devotee of the Lord. Right? And we have a pure devotee here in the form of Sir. If you look at the 26 qualities of a pure devotee described in Srimad Bhagavatam, right? There are many, many things described. And one of them is described, the pure devotee is steady, right? Consistent, steady. And if you see Sir's life, 30 years of devotional service, he has been continuously steady in his devotional life, right? And there are so many other wonderful qualities, right, which Bhagavatam describes, and that is seen practically, if you have to see, that is manifested in Sir, right? So that is the wonderful thing. I was remembering this, the 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, 12:20, the last verse of Bhagavad Gita, last verse of 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So Krishna says, Ye tu dharma amritam idam yathoktam paryupasate Shraddhadhana mat parama bhaktas te ativa me priya. So he concludes, Krishna concludes the devotional service chapter, 12th chapter. He says that devotee is very, very dear to me. Bhaktas te ativa me priya. And who is that? Those who follow this imperishable path of devotional service with full faith. Shraddhadhana and mat parama, who has made me their goal of life. So in Sir, we have a person who has made Krishna as his goal of life. So obviously, he is very, very dear to Krishna. And so this association of Sir should not be taken lightly, right? Because sometimes, because of the familiarity breeds contempt. Prabhupada used to use this English idiom also. Familiarity breeds contempt. And because Sir wants us to follow discipline, be regulated, consistent, he chastises us a lot. But Prabhupada said that the only business of the Guru is to chastise his student. Only business is to chastise his student. Because unless we are chastised, agar koi kaan pakad ke hame sikhayega nahi, thappad nahi marega, tab tak we cannot learn. It's not possible. Because for millions and trillions of lives, we are used to sense gratification. Right? So chastisement is chastisement should not be taken negatively. Right? Because many times we hear that Sir chastises us a lot. In fact, I missed that chastisement away from Sir. We were in Bits Pilani, that chastisement like Mangalarti, if we were late, we were outside, stand outside, right? Something like very strict. That strictness is required. Prabhupada was very strict. I was hearing Romapad Maharaj, and Romapad Maharaj was saying that Prabhupada was so grave. One of the qualities of a pure devotee is grave, serious. And his disciples used to fear approaching him. Nobody would go near Srila Prabhupada, just like that. So that gravity, of course, there is times of jolly and all of that is there. But gravity, seriousness in the matter of student and teacher is very important, right? And that is depicted in Bhagavad Gita, right? After Arjuna surrendered to Krishna, right? The Krishna smiled because my friend has accepted me as a spiritual master. But then he became very grave because, and Prabhupada writes in the purport, the interaction between the teacher and the student is of gravity. It is not an ordinary interaction because it is an interaction of the soul, of the two souls, right? One is carrying the mercy of Krishna, right? And one is seeking the mercy of Krishna. So it's a very serious interaction. So chastisement is must. So that chastisement I still miss. And behind that chastisement is love. I've seen so many times, right? Like when we were not well in BITS Pilani, right? At one time when I was not well, then Sir was preparing kadha for us. Kadha. We had cold and fever, right? Sir was preparing. So Sir would take personal. One incident I would narrate. I was standing in the chamber of my head of department, and that day was my last day in BITS Pilani, something like that. And the devotees had prepared some feast, and that professor was not letting me go. That professor was head of department was not letting me go. So I was standing, and he was talking to me, and then suddenly Sir came inside the chamber. He said, "What happened?" And he said, he held my hand, and he took my that Dr. Gupta was the head, right, of the department, and he was amazed. What's happening here? So he put, Sanjay, chalo, Sida, right? And then the nicest moment I had was from there to Sir's house. Sir came by the bicycle. So I drove the bicycle and Sir was sitting in the front. No, so that opportunity to serve a pure devotee. So Prabhupada says that there is a ripe mango and there is a raw mango. But mango is mango. So we should not understand a pure devotee just by that he is displaying symptoms of Krishna Prem. Right? One who is following the principles of pure devotional service strictly, he is a pure devotee. Prabhupada said, all my disciples, 10,000 disciples are pure devotees. Right? So, and Sir's intense commitment for Srila Prabhupada, as I said in the online, morning thing, that when we were watching the video of Srila Prabhupada in 1997, 1998, Sir had brought the video and we had got a VCD to play that. At that time, all that was not there, right? Online. So, Sir, when Prabhupada was chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra under a tree and the preaching, Sir was crying. Crying means literally crying. Tears were coming out of his eyes. And we have seen many, many times, right, when Sir mentioned Srila Prabhupada, like in the Hare Krishna TV interview, he was saying that I could not meet Srila Prabhupada, and he was doing like this. He was washing his eyes, right? So, Sir has got intense commitment for Srila Prabhupada, for Srila Prabhupada's mission, right? And that was, as all the senior exalted Vaishnavas said, right? That so much commitment, right? So, as I said, I will summarize here. Purity is the force and Sir is the emblem of that purity. So, it is up to us to associate with Sir and take the benefit. So, I'll again thank Sir for all the guidance and all the direction and inspiring me.
Thank you. I think in 2003, Radhakant and his sister Sameswari, they came. I didn't know how did they land up. How did they land up in Kanpur? And now they said, I'm Radhakant Das and this is Sameswari, sister of sister. Sister's husband. Yeah. This is Radhakant Das, not this Radhakant Das. He's not married. This is Radhakant, Ravikant. So, So Radhakant and his sister Samasuri, they suddenly landed in 322. I said, what happened? No, I am like this. And Samasuri said, I am sister of Sanjay Jain. And then Samasuri told that how Sanjay would learn everything and would transmit to his sisters. And those sisters also became devotees. And his father and mother are here. And when he came for the first time, because his title was Jain, and I was a little afraid of, Jain fellow, what he will do Krishna consciousness. They are Digambara and Satambara category. So, actually, that is why when I gave him poha, he ate. After eating poha, he did like this. And finished. So that's Sanjay Jain. But, he's a wonderful soul. And I think we have a soul connection. Thank you so much. Rahul. Oh. Our Mridanga man, our singer, and, the Hare Krishna Patrika, we were typing, we were printing for ISKCON Kanpur. It's almost 3-4 years we did, right? 2007, 2000. 5 edition you worked on. So he would work because I will give him the articles in English, he will translate in Hindi. It's a great job and he was doing it. He is now in South Africa doing his postdoc. Learn Gita editing also he has done. So he is another person. Yeah, is my good friend.
Thank you, sir. So if I reflect back, for me, sir is persistence and perseverance personified. So first thing is this. So this is how I've seen Professor Bhera. So when I started my PhD in physics, so I was not very sure on which topic should I work on. So he gave me a topic on cosmology, and currently I'm also pursuing my postdoc in cosmology. So this is one thing, and I don't remember what happened that day, but something happened. So I had to leave quickly sir's house because I had some work in my office. And then he called me, "Kuch hai tu kuch khaya ki nahi? Ghar pe aa." And then I came and I did not tell him that I'm leaving. I just left without telling him. "Kuch hai tu kahan bhag gaya bina bataye?" And this is how he told me. So like he used to treat me as his own kid. I mean, I found it many times because usually a person who is very close to you can only address you like tu kahan chala gaya, tu kya kar raha hai. So and also, so I think that was in 2011. I was in my final year. So he also gave me the task of working on the Hare Krishna magazine or the ISKCON Sandesh, something like that. So that was supposed to be the first edition of the Hare Krishna Sandesh at ISKCON Kanpur. So I must say that was such an absorbing experience. I literally forgot my exams. I literally forgot all of my studies. Thank you for that, sir.
So Rahul, thank you very much. He was supposed to come on 4th, but he became sick. But once he got recovered, he came here. Thank you so much, Rahul. Aao. बोलो.
कृष्णा सर
विकास का सीनियर हो ना सर? जूनियर हो?
विपिन के साथ
2 years जूनियर. देवा सॉरी उसका सीनियर हो, विपिन
के साथ बैचमेट.
विपिन का बैचमेट.
Krishna, actually in 2006 when we joined IIT, so Vikas Prabhu is my maternal uncle's son. So on first day only, in the evening when we came to IIT, me, Vipin, Mamaji and my elder brother, we all went to sir's house evening. तो मेरा तो थोड़ा सा दिमाग चेंज हो गया कि जहाँ पे आईआईटी में तो कुछ और सुना था, यहाँ तो कुछ और ही चल रहा है. मुझे पता नहीं था कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं, और एक्चुअली आई डिड नॉट नो एनीथिंग much about philosophy. But after staying at 4 years, I have seen sir also. Sir के साथ मेरा रिलेशन थोड़ा ऐसा था कि मैं जनरली डरता ही था. All senior devotees getting chastised, so मैं तो जनरली सर से थोड़ा साइड सामने कम ही आता था. My main role was generally in kitchen only. In earlier, when in the first year I used to help Ranjan Prabhu, Devendra Prabhu in cooking. Then all of a sudden, at the end of the first year, all senior devotees who were in kitchen, they all got graduated, post-graduate, or passed from IIT. So nobody was there to cook. So, and Radhakant Prabhu came from Vrindavan. And they said that now you should take care of kitchen. So from that on, from next 3 years, I was mainly in kitchen. So I have some experience about that in that job only. When in the evening 6:30 generally program starts, but I was in kitchen on the Saturday evenings. तो किचन में से आवाज आती रहती, खटखट कुछ हो रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है. सर पीछे से आवाज देते, वीरेंद्र क्या हो रहा है, तुम हमेशा किचन में ही रहेगा, बाहर कभी नहीं आएगा. फिर मैं आता 2 मिनट बैठता, फिर याद आता कि कुछ तो गैस के ऊपर है, तो फिर वापस किचन के अंदर. फिर तो लाइक दैट इट वाज रियली a different experience which you will in next life you will never see. One incident I want to share. I was in Paris for some work, my office work, and before that I was in Frankfurt. So खाने का वहाँ पे इशू रहता है कि क्या मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, अनियन गार्लिक का इशू रहेगा. तो मैं जनरली ड्राई जो फूड होता है वही लेके गया था. तो मैं लेके गया, तो 3 दिन फ्रैंकफर्ट में तो चल गया, लेकिन बिल्कुल पेरिस में जब तक पहुंचा तब तक 4 दिन में कि कुछ तो खाने को मिले घर का. सो एट दैट टाइम पवन प्रभु वाज देयर. ही वाज डूइंग हिज पोस्टडॉक और पीएचडी. He used to come from his house, which was very far from my place. Every day he used to come with either dal chawal or khichdi. He used to cook. He used to bring for me. He used to take prasadam with me and then go back. And every day for that purpose only. No other work. This thing you will never see anywhere in real world. You will not see this thing. So thank you, sir, for giving this association.
कब इनिशिएशन कब लोगे? इनिशिएशन लेना है कि नहीं? शोला मला कर रहे हो? इनिशिएशन लेना है? हैं? परसों लोगे? ये हुडी ले चुका है? हुडी ले चुके हो? पहले ही ले लिया? ठीक है. हरे कृष्णा. हाँ, अनुज, राधाकांत एक एक करके सब भेजो जल्दी. Anuj, he used to be a cheater in his IIT days. Always used to bunk the program. I have to literally pull his ear to come to my house. And it is somehow by mystically, his brother became a devotee, and then his brother-in-law became a devotee, and then his brother-in-law was also a devotee, and then finally he had no choice except, and his parents became also devotee. So he's an odd man out.
Hare Krishna. So it was my great fortune when I came to IIT. Sir gave us the seed of Krishna consciousness. मतलब like अगर मैं भक्ति में नहीं आता तो I don't know what I would have done. So I am very very grateful to sir for giving me this seed. मैं अपने मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर और फोर्थ ईयर में थोड़ा तरह से थोड़ा इधर उधर चल रहा था. मेरा सर से इतना ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन नहीं हुआ, बट थ्रू सर मतलब इट्स बेटर टू बी दासानुदास. तो मेरे को सर के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं हिमांशु प्रभु, विपिन प्रभु, राधाकांत प्रभु, श्री रंजन प्रभु, इन सब का बहुत 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 प्यार मिला आईआईटी में, जिससे मैं अपनी कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस सस्टेन कर पाया। और एक दिन जब मैं चेन्नई में जॉब कर रहा था, सर का कॉल आया कि तुम्हारा सिस्टर का शादी हो गया। उन्हें नहीं सर, तो सर ने राधाकांत प्रभु की बताया। आई वाज सो हैप्पी, सर रिमेंबर्ड मी इवन दो आई वाज नॉट वेरी सिंसियर ड्यूरिंग माय आईआईटी डेज, एंड सर प्रपोज्ड दिस मैरिज, एंड my sister got married to Radhakant Prabhu, and then after that, like, my brother became devotee and my parents became devotee, and as sir rightly said, I am practicing, I have no choice. I am happily practicing, but my whole family became devotee by the seed of Krishna consciousness given by sir in first year. So I seek blessings of sir that I can practice this lifelong and continue to do, sir.
His father-in-law, Siaram Gupta, is also here. You see? So he has no choice. आप इसको दामाद कैसे बना दिए? हैं? ऊपर वाले की कृपा है। हाँ, हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ 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 हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ, रांची की है, रहने वाला है सियाराम गुप्ता, और हर दिन हमारा ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम में ज्वाइन करते हैं। तो ससुर जी की बहुत सिंसियरिटी है, दामाद बहनी, आप लोग थोड़ा कुछ करो। ये ले लीजिए। अच्छा, आप ले चुके हैं गुडी, ठीक है, बढ़िया।
Sir, I seek mercy that, like, I also get initiation. Should I am aspiring from Radhanath Swami Maharaj, so I seek your blessings that I get mercies.
Thank you. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol। हाँ, लीला गोविंद।
Hare Krishna. So I joined NIIT in 2006. So during Janmashtami through Raman Manohar Prabhu, we got connected, and there are so many nice experiences. So Sir used to take for many trips. I still remember the first trip we went one Sunday to a nearby village, supposed to be, I think, birthplace of Valmiki. I still remember the first trip. So like that, we have so many trips. So
Sir, Valmiki village, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful place, sir.
Yeah, we had.
See, one of the thing is, we have done lot of kirtan. Earlier time, I got connected to this Yogesh Mishra, and there his job was to preach, teach Sanskrit, and he would find that our Sankirtan is good, and so he would take us. So for us, it is an opportunity to go and chant Hare Krishna, because that is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said. गाँव-गाँव जाओ और कीर्तन करो, हैं? तो बहुत कीर्तन इधर आसपास बहुत कीर्तन किए, ये शहर में भी बहुत कीर्तन किए।
So, and I also remember one more trip which we went, there is a village, Karusa. So, I remember, so there was, we went and we had stayed in a place and did kirtan in the village. And the Sar is very simple. So, means while returning, we all came in the general train. Sar also came in the general bogie. So it's very and always Sar, when he speaks also, he emphasizes the simplicity of life and he practices. So I used to say, so, and somehow he kindly engaging me in Vrindavan. So inspired, so that's my good fortune. There are so many he has given his so much valuable time, energy, and he always remembers and inspires, encourages to practice Krishna consciousness. That's my really good fortune. So hopefully I always stay under his guidance, his lotus feet, so that I can progress in Krishna consciousness. Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna.
During his time, I was not a professor in IIT Kanpur. I was associate professor, and they stopped my program in my house because our neighbors complained. So most of the program was happening in ashram. And I was told that, sir, we have no service. So what happened? Now Leela Govind is snatching all the service. His name was Lokesh sir. The Lokesh sir is snatching all our services. From cleaning the floor to cleaning the vessels. He is not keeping anything. Okay. So actually, to serve is our natural state. Anybody who has learned this, he would never fall down. Thank you very much. Yeah. Avaya Chaitanya. As I told you, Avaya Chaitanya, Pavan and Radhakant, they are writing the souvenir for 2 years. And today is the entire computer system got kaput. Where is this Tarun Tanmay Govind? Why he was not here? तुम्हें जो दिया गया वो नहीं दिया.
हरे कृष्ण से. So, मैं जब आईआईटी ज्वाइन किया 2007 में, तो 2008 में प्रभु जी आए थे, देवामित्र प्रभु. सार तब बाहर थे, बट वो प्रोग्राम में आया, बाद में सार आए तो मैं कंटिन्यू किया आना वहाँ. और मैं पीएचडी कर रहा था, बहुत बहाना दे रहा था कि मुझे अभी आ नहीं सकता हूँ रेगुलरली वो करना. तो सर एक बार पूछे कि कितना राउंड कर रहे हो. मैंने बोला सर 8. यू आर फ्रॉम पुरी एंड यू आर चैंटिंग 8 राउंड, नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल, डू इट 16. सो देन कुछ समय मैंने लिया और फिर 16 राउंड चैंटिंग शुरू किया. और फिर बाद में आई गॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन सम ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज and I was kind of mistake personified. I was always doing a lot of mistakes. And Sar was forgiveness personified. So हर mistake को मैं करता रहता था, और सर पता नहीं मैं होता सर के जगह पे तो मैं कभी से भगा देता उसको, तो जाओ यहाँ से भागो. But Sir was so forbearing that he still tolerates those mistakes. I will just share 2 incidences. It's getting late, but once we were having a program in this IIT, this ISKCON Kanpur. That was the Janmashtami program, and after Janmashtami, we had a school program, and we contacted almost. They have given us the service that IIT students should take care of the schools, and temples devotees should take care of the colleges. तो हम यूथ प्रोग्राम करने वाले थे. तो सर बोले कि तुम और एक और डिवोटी थे, दोनों स्कूल में प्रोग्राम करो जाके. तो 40 स्कूल को हमने इनवाइट किया, और वहाँ जाके डांस, म्यूजिक, सब कुछ पेंटिंग, डिबेट, सब कंपटीशन करवाया, क्विज. और जिस दिन जन्माष्टमी के नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग 2 बजे वाइंड अप करके सो गए थे, मंगल आरती मिस किए. फिर जब आए तो obviously we got chastised कि we could not respect the acharyas. So आचार्य उपासना नहीं जानते तो क्या प्रोग्रेस करें भक्ति में. So we were chastised, and then सर हमको बोले कि तुम लोग सब मंदिर जाओ. तो I was so angry because I could not control myself. सर कोई नहीं जाएगा आज मंदिर. So सर बोले क्यों, ऐसे क्यों? लगना सर हमारे साथ जितने सर्विस है, हम 2 लोग हैं और मंदिर लोगों के पास बहुत लोग हैं, तो हमको सबको यहीं रहना पड़ेगा, सारा सर्विसेज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सारे क्विजेस सब कुछ इवैल्यूएशन करना था. 40 स्कूल से एटलीस्ट 500 स्टूडेंट्स उसको पार्टिसिपेट किए थे. तो फिर देन आई ब्रोक डाउन एंड स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. एक कमरे में बैठ के वो सब जो डाइनिंग हॉल में मैं रो रहा हूँ, और सर फिर आए बोले कि है ना माता जी वॉज देयर, माता जी वॉज आवर है ना ग्रेटेस्ट रेस्क्यूअर. कभी भी हमको कुछ पड़ता था तो माता जी हमारे है ना रेस्क्यू करते थे. सो फिर सर बोले कि यू आर पुट अंडर सिचुएशन ऑफ प्रेशर so that you come out of it and then get better, but you are succumbing to the pressure. So what kind of behavior it is? So then everybody we started doing the services and then came to temple. Sir also came. Sir was the quiz master for that ceremony and that program went well. That another incident, once sir told me, you take Mataji to Vrindavan. And some other devotees, they told me, okay, you are going to Vrindavan, we will also go. मैंने सोचा ठीक है आ जाओ, जाते रहे. तो ट्रेन में 3-4 डिवोटी रेडी हो गए. फिर थारुण प्रभु अभी यहाँ नहीं है, उन्होंने बोला कि मैं जाऊँ. उन्होंने इतने सारे क्यों लोग, आप सर से पूछो. तो सर से पूछे कि सर मैं जा सकता हूँ. सर बोले तुम क्यों जाओगे, वो तो माता जी को छोड़ के आ जाएगा, तुम क्यों जाएगा वृंदावन. बोला सर और 3 डिवोटी जा रहे हैं ऑलरेडी उनके साथ. Okay, so then sir called me, what is going on? Are you doing a separate trip? You have become acharya and you are doing a separate trip. And till that time I didn't understand कि क्या problem है. मैं सब लोगों को लेके ऑलरेडी तैयार हो गया था वृंदावन ट्रिप के लिए. So then I was a kind of so I was heavily chastised for that, and then sir said, "Okay, you go away. No need to go." Then sir दोबारा फोन की क्योंकि माता जी को जाना है, टिकट सब हो गया था सबका. तो सर फोन कर रहे हैं कि क्या हुआ आने के लिए, बट फिर डांट पड़ा और फोन काट दिया. ऐसे 3 बार फोन किए और डांट के फोन काट दिए. और फिर चौथा बार बोले कि ठीक है, where are you? सर I'm in a hostel, so come. And how many people have you start planning to go? बोला 3 लोग. तो फिर बड़ा गाड़ी बुलाए और लेके गए. फिर सर बोले कि दिस इज द इंडिपेंडेंट बट सेपरेटिस्ट मेंटालिटी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी आर हियर एंड यू आर स्टिल प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट सेपरेटिस्ट मेंटालिटी, देन हाउ कैन यू प्रोग्रेस. एंड फ्रॉम दैट डे ऑनवर्ड्स आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेपरेटिस्ट मेंटालिटी, एंड दैट वाज अ ग्रेट लेसन फॉर मी. सो लाइक दैट a lot of mistakes I did and a lot of lessons I learned, some remain permanent, and so for that I'm really grateful. And Mataji, जैसे सास को बहू को एक बार सिखाना पड़ता है, बट माता जी के लिए हर बैच नया है और हर बार उनको सेम चीज सिखाना पड़ता है दोबारा. एंड शी वाज सो टॉलरेंट एंड शी वाज गोइंग एंड टीचिंग देम. हमारे टाइम में अभी तो माता जी थोड़ा सा डांट देते हैं, हमारे टाइम बिल्कुल नहीं डांटते थे, किसी को नहीं डांटते थे. शी वाज एक्सीलेंट एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ टॉलरेंस आई नेवर सीन. कि वो सबको सिखाते थे कंटिन्यूअसली. Okay, so we are eternally grateful to sir and Mataji. So, Hare Krishna sir.
अच्छा हुडी पहन चुका है. अच्छा. So actually in our Learn Gita, Live Gita, Abhay Chaitanya played a great role. He invited me to teach Bhagavad Gita in his campus in IIM Indore, and then. But you see that he did this 2 years, memory is not ready. And then he is translating Odia, this Bhagavad Gita into Odia. This is going on. So kindly do these services. Okay. Hare Krishna. Sachidananda Vigraha.
हरे कृष्णा. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. So first of all, I really thank Sir, Mataji and entire team of IIT Kanpur, because I really can't express in words like what all things I have experienced in this retreat. So like in my style, like recently I was learning one shloka, so that really touched me from many days. And in this retreat I was constantly meditating on that particular aspect, because 3 things happened. So what is that shloka? I'll repeat. Durlabho manusho janmo dehinam kshanabhangura tatrapi durlabham manye vaikunta priyadarshanam. This is a wonderful shloka. King Nimi he resides in the glorification of Navayogendras. So, Abhay Chaitanya Prabhu was showing that, I did not remember what I have written when I was asked for the survey, but coincidentally, this is exact thing what I wanted to tell now. Durlabho Manusho Janma. This human form of life is very, very rare. And this I came to know from Sir. And Dehinam Kshanu Bangura. Even though we get this human form of life, that is a very temporary, and that also I came to know from Sir. And more valuable than this is Tatrapi Durlabham Manye. King Nimi, who is a descendant of Mithila kings, he's saying that more valuable than this is what? In my opinion, Vaikunta Priyadarshanam, association of devotees. That also I came in touch with that very valuable thing through Sir. So this is a wonderful thing, and in this, especially this retreat, from out of 20 years of IIT Kanpur journey, the Sangha Bhaktivedanta Club, I have actually completed 12 years with Sir. And out of those 12 years, I was introduced, cultivated, and even engaged in service by Sir. I was doing full-time service in BGS, I was taking care of cows, and I was in Dehradun project, so for almost close to 3 years. So, and in this retreat, in all these 12 years, I never saw this kind of gathering where 3 kind of associations I got, Vaikunta Priyadarshanam. So what is that? Almost 7 sannyasis were there. Very joyful to see the association of such a senior devotees. And second, in one of the Telugu films, previously we used to watch Telugu films. So there was one film where all the students, when they study together in a school, and when they pass out after so many years, when they get married, when they are settled in professional career, they get together, and that film is about showing the memories. So whomever I was associated with the devotees, all my friends, I've seen many of them after long time, maybe some of them after 10 years. So I was also relishing friendship with the devotees, so rare actually. This also I got this gift also from Sir. And third thing, because of Sir's blessing, many of our ITK team were doing this online preaching to the newer students. So some of the students, they have asked me to teach some things. So third thing also I was relishing to, in this retreat. So from my perspective, I was really relishing. Today, I think one of the Maharaj was saying about this, I think. So 3 kind of association I was relishing in this retreat. So it was very complete. So all this through the blessings of Sir. And especially from Sir, what I always get inspiration. Initially, I hardly had the taste of studying Srila Prabhupada books. So one time Sir came to Bangalore, and I was staying with Vipin Prabhu and Raghav Goyal Prabhu, who are in now USA. His brother has come. So, Sir asked me, what are you doing? Are you studying Srila Prabhupada books? I said, no, Sir. So, from that time onwards, Sir asked, you should read. So, from that onwards, still today, whenever I start reading Srila Prabhupada books, it is the same thing. I always remember that, Sir asked me to read, and really that in my tough times, really that helped me. That remembrance of Sir's instruction and association with Srila Prabhupada books, this really helped me even in my tough times. So chanting and Srila Prabhupada book studies, and more important that is preaching spirit. Actually, I'm realizing these days that the preaching spirit Sir exhibits is the real key for enthusiasm. And when I try to implement a portion of that, I really become enthusiastic. So These are the gifts I have received from Sir. So I want to tell one more thing. The sweetness which I received from Sir, from this club. There is one shloka Uddhavji says to Krishna directly. This is a wonderful glorification Uddhavji does.
Maharaj, welcome. Leaving? No. So early. Now we have not taken because gift distribution is going on. And
only last request I want to make that at least once in a year for 2 days, make this reunion. Maybe once in Mayapur, once in Vrindavan, somewhere. But that's up to you, don't get it. But at least my request. 2 days in a year. Isn't it?
So, Maharaj, thank you so much. This is my gift. His Holiness Bhakti Ashray Vaishnav Maharaj ki
Jai. So I will just complete in 1 more minute because we really require time to express our gratitude to this club and especially to Sir, because I don't think that I will get another opportunity maybe till next meeting. So this is a way to express my gratitude, Sir. So there is one nice prayer Uddhavji says to Krishna himself. Tava vikriditam Krishna nunam parama mangalam. Piyusham karna masadya tektva anya sprihajana. So he says that, oh Krishna, your pastimes are very, very sweet. Tava vikriditam Krishna. And they are very, very auspicious to the entire world. And whoever has tasted at least them once, what happens? Tektva anya spriham jana. They will not get attracted to anything of this material world. And a portion of this I really experienced after coming in touch with Krishna, after coming in touch with this club and the Sir. So this shows that because when I joined IIT Kanpur, many of the time students say this Vedas and Vedic literatures are mythological. So but when after 12 years of association with Sir, after experiencing this and still continuing to practice, so now we get a portion of conviction that, oh, this, whatever Sir is telling us and the Vedic literature, Sir, teaching us, they are not mythological. They really give us the true experience of the life. That is, once we get taste for Krishna consciousness, we will not get attached to anything of this material world. And Sir said today in the beginning of this also. So this is also a greatest gift, because wherever we are, Sir told us to meditate on Krishna. I think this is the greatest gift. So I really thank Sir. So yeah, after this retreat, my enthusiasm becomes manifold, because as I said that I got benefited immensely out of this retreat. But one of the things I want to say about my recent experiences, because of my personal things, I have to stay back in Hyderabad. I thought Sir is no more interested in me. So actually that was my greatest concern. And he was not replying to my messages also. But like after I blessed with a daughter, I messaged Sir. I don't know what inspired Sir, but he immediately replied, and he also suggested the name for my daughter, and we named her the same name what suggested by Sir. So this recent experience shown to me that Sir does not forget actually. He shows still love. So I'm very, very grateful to Sir and Mataji. There are so many experiences. Because of the short of time, I am not able to continue, but I'm really grateful to the Bhaktivedanta Club and Sir and Mataji and all the devotees here who have given me such a wonderful experiences. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Sachidananda Vigraha was working with Pius, our Param Karuna. Where is Param Karuna? And he deserted him suddenly because his father left his body. I told him that you cannot go back. Once you have taken a decision to give your life to Krishna, you have to. Okay. Anyway, I hope he would soon come back to his original service. Thank you. Because everybody is feeling hungry, they have to take prasadam. Yeah.
Give me an opportunity.
Yeah. Ramarao Garu, his brother is Vedanta. Vedanta Chaitanya.
Hare Krishna, actually, I have no any kind of eligibility to speak about sir or to stand before sir, because I am no way connected to our IIT or any. Yes, sir. I am no way connected to IIT or I am not an alumni. But because of Krishna's blessings and Prabhupada's blessings, I am somehow connected to our sir. Exactly 2011, sir came to our village because of Varaprasad, Vedanta Chaitanya Prabhu. He is our family member. Through Vedanta Chaitanya Prabhu, I am connected to sir. Then we conducted sir out of his mercy. Sir visited such a small village. My village is there, Kottavalsa. Sir delivered a nice presentation, goal of education then. Many teachers attended. Till then, of course, I am not a sincere devotee, but I have been observing sir's life and teachings, preachings. I am very much inspired. So that I came along the way. Every day, my priority is to take lunch after 12:30. Exactly, the bell rings, I go to take my lunch. But today, my priority is to listen to hear to sir's glories and greatness. Every day, really. Because I am a teacher. Teachers are very sincere to take lunch and dinner. But sir is a rare teacher, very rare teacher. I actually for the last 2-3 hours, I have just have taken 1 or 2 papers. I wrote down a few lines. So if sir is kind enough to permit, I will read. I am not an orator. Sir. I am not a Maikasura. I will complete. I am not in the list even of the speakers. Sir is endowed with an uncommon missionary zeal and a high sense of dedication, which has sustained Sir's preaching work in BVIC at IIT Kanpur. His achievements in educational, spiritual, cultural fields amply demonstrate what a totally pure devotee, what a totally dedicated devotee could do even without any resources, maybe financial or maybe political resources. Sir has accomplished such a tremendous, stupendous accomplishment here. So it is because of how much Sir is empowered by His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada. That is a true example. Here we can see the magical power of Srila Prabhupada. It happened. Here it is happening. Sir, I think is a lean personality, but he is not an individual. He is an institution. He is an institution. Sanstha ban gaya. Sir, so many people are saying that Sir is a humility exemplary. Sir is humility personified. Sir is sincerity personified. So I got an opportunity to make yatras, 3 to 4 yatras I participated. And one gets surprised to see the work which is enormously turned out. Sir, if there is such an institution, BVIC is, yes sir. With 3 to 4 lines. With 3 to 4 lines are there, yes. Sir, you are a wonderful gift given to not only to IIT, the entire community. Sir, your preachings, LGLG preachings are fountains of wisdom.
And your uncommon missionary zeal, your high sense of dedication may inspire many more on this path as you are the moving scientific wisdom. Sir, you are pruning the material feeble minds into strong minds by your words rational, by your thoughts logical, by your deeds transcendental. Sir, I call you not a teacher, but a magnificent light. You are a magnificent light. Sir, you are created by, you are really a guiding star for us and a real rocking star to ISKCON community. And I will once again, yesterday I was traveling through one of bus. I saw one or two signboards. I observed there. Lala Purushottam Das Jeweler Shop. This is Leela Purushottam Jeweler Shop. This is really because Sir is making wonderful diamonds, emeralds. So for giving this wonderful opportunity, I cannot offer anything, but I bow down my head and I can surrender to my
Hari Bol. Actually, I am personally not feeling hungry at all, but the Prashadam team also, they have to wind up. So what we'll do is today we covered like devotees before 2010, and we have so many wonderful devotees after 2010, the second generation. So just after lunch, Prashad will gather. And it was really a very nectarian session. Maybe one or two devotees are left before 2010 who are left here. Jaidev Prabhu and Umesh Prabhu and Devendra Prabhu. Just 2 minutes please try to keep. And we had so many wonderful guests coming like from Ghaziabad. Prabhuji is a doctor, father-in-law of our Meher Prabhu. Shyam Karuna Prabhu is a very big congregation preacher in
from Ghaziabad. अशोक जी आइए थोड़ा गिफ्ट ले लीजिए। अशोक जी है हमारे होने वाला जो यूनिवर्सिटी है उसकी अभी जो इनिशियल पीरियड में वो प्रेसिडेंट है और वो अभी हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी कैसे बनेगा उसकी व्यवस्था कर रहे हैं और हार्वर्ड के रिसर्चर हैं अशोक जी और बहुत बड़े रिसर्च लैब सेटअप किए हैं गुरुकुल में और गो प्रोडक्ट जो है ना काउ यूरिन काउ डांग घी उसकी बेसिस में इनकी बहुत सारे प्लान है कैसे मेडिसिन बनाया जाए और एनीवे सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट लाओ और एक लाओ अशोक जी आपका कैसे रहा ये रिट्रीट आपके लिए तो बहुत बोरिंग होगा।
नहीं बोरिंग नहीं इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्चुअली मैं within few minutes I think we are running short of time but कुछ चीजें मैं narrate करूँगा। Way back in 1989 you know we were working at Harvard Medical School तो वहाँ पर there is a farmers market at Boston you know Haymarket if somebody is familiar with that. So you know we used to go to get vegetables and fruits over there, you know, those who know Haymarket over there. So I had just moved from Canada to Boston. I was at Calgary earlier. So I had moved to Boston and went to the Haymarket. So there is some devotee came and he said, you know, there is a ISKCON temple here and this is the address, and he gave me a little pocketbook. I was very happy, you know, because I've been in, you know, spiritual inclinations from my childhood, you know, like I was in Muslim university, but when I was maybe a 13-year-old boy, I was studying Bhagavad Gita since then. So I was really looking for, because in Calgary there was no temple or, you know, we didn't have a set up that point in time. So that devotee gave me, you know, a card, address of the Boston temple, 72 Commonwealth Avenue. And so the very coming next Sunday, you know, following Sunday we went there and, you know, I stayed at Boston for several years, but I never saw that person at Boston anytime. You know, and I was always looking for, you know, I asked people, you know, if there is somebody of this shape and size, you know, he met me at Haymarket and gave me the address of this temple and why anybody from any other town will come to, you know, do a preaching or a book distribution service at Boston. but I could never see that gentleman again, like, so that's where my journey started. So it has been 32 years. So what I was going to say is that I haven't seen Srila Prabhupada, and all I have seen and known Srila Prabhupada through his books only. But I see an image of Srila Prabhupada in Leela Purushottam ji. He is a dear friend of mine. And we have, because the way, when if you read Srila Prabhupada's books, I think many of the characters, which you can imagine about Srila Prabhupada, you can witness here. Like the way he will chastise his students or whatever, like, and the amount of love which he really had in his heart for his devotees. Now we are recently getting to us. Actually, my association with him goes back some 8-9 years, 8-9 years, when I was Vice Chancellor of a university in Madhya Pradesh. So I created 2 universities here where Bhagavad Gita as it is a compulsory credit course. So at least thousands of studying, compulsorily studying Bhagavad Gita. And it was Bhagavad Gita as it is. And that's when I requested Leela Purushottam ji, can you provide me a few teachers, who could really, deliver Bhagavad Gita to my students over here, So that's where our association started. And now we are, of course, working a little more closely. We have set up a biotechnology center. Already it's in a functional state, Vrindavan campus, where we have our Gurukul and all that. And, I think I was just thinking that, we should be giving a scientific dimension. There are certain hormones in our body, what we call happy hormones, oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine, and they are really released, So, and I just want to launch this study soon, that if we can demonstrate that by doing chanting or mridanga playing or whatever, those hormones are really released, that can be a great point of attraction for many of the atheists, like even if you don't believe in Krishna or in our practices of Sankirtan and all that, if we can demonstrate that, because ultimately we all feel so happy, ecstatic, when we are dancing, chanting or playing harmonium or doing Sankirtan. I think we need to now shift a gear to take it to a scientific domain. Of course, we are trying to work in cognitive sciences, and all that, but I think biotechnology setup, which we already have at Gurukul, that we will be actually getting into that. And as Prabhuji said that, we already have been working on things, which are not mainstream, scientists are not interested, like cow urine, cow dung, milk and all that, like so, that's the kind of thing we are trying to create over Gurukul campus. And let's see how fast and how far it moves. Thank you very much, I took a lot of your time. Yeah. Please take videos. Everyone.
Okay, so dear devotees, we need to again meet, because all of us, we must take prasadam, and then we come immediately. As soon as you finish your prasadam, you are leaving? Okay.
Sir, 1 second. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. My name is Devendra Arya. I came to IITK in the year 2005, on July 25th, 2005. And in just 1 month after that, I remember Devendra. Yeah. So just after 1 month of joining IITK in 2005, that was in July 25th, 2005, Devendra Upadhyay Prabhu and Devesh Prabhu, they came to my room for book distribution just before a week of Janmashtami. And those were the most lovable moments of my life. And I and my roommate, Mr. Ankit Agarwal, he is now in Australia. So I took the Bhagavad Gita book, I took the Krishna book, and my roommate, Mr. Ankit Agarwal, he took Bhagavad Gita, and I took the Krishna book. So we are really grateful to Devendra Upadhyay Prabhu and Devesh Prabhu, who introduced us to Krishna consciousness. And then one day I came to Sir's house and I saw Sir's simplicity, and I was really enamored by how simple Sir is. And it was at that time I knew that I have to know Sir. And then I started slowly, gradually coming to sir's program. At that time, sir was associate professor, and that incident also happened. And sir reported that there were. So, but it was an amazing experience of my life. Like, it totally transformed me. And the love and sacrifice that His Grace Sir and Gopa Mataji has shown to us, it's like it cannot be measured in any quantitative measurements. So I'm really grateful to Sir, His Grace Sir and Gopa Mataji, and all the devotees, and Devendra Prabhu, Radhakant Prabhu, and we have Santosh Prabhu, Virendra Prabhu, and Vikas Prabhu, Ankit Prabhu, and all the devotees who were present there. One of my senior, Rishi Prabhu, he left the Sangha due to some reason. I have to find out like why he left the Sangha. So I will. He's Mumbai. Because I messaged him, but I asked. Yes. Okay, yeah, that's good. I'll just take 30 more seconds. I have some points noted down just for this occasion. Yeah, so these are some realizations and small realizations that I have. I'm a very small man, but still, like, whatever I know, I try to pinpoint it in some points. My number one realization is that wherever you are, in whatever state you are, start chanting. Just like the darshan of a demigod or God himself does not always has its effect on you. Similarly, the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra has an effect on your consciousness. So even if you don't feel it right away, but chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra is actually having its effect on your consciousness. So with time, you will get to know it. The second point is, this is a bit material. People think that it is a material, but do take care of your bodies in the senses. And the reason Srila Prabhupada also says that in one place that we have to take care of our bodies not because we have to indulge in sense gratification, but because we have to live more so that we can serve Krishna more. We can engage in Krishna service more. That should be our aim. So, and then there's a third point, which is one of the habits. As Maharaj day before yesterday pointed out, that आदतें हमारी बहुत important होती हैं. अगर हम हर चीज अपनी आदतों में डाल देंगे, we put everything in our habits. There's a great book by Mr. James Clear, Atomic Habits. You can go through that book. It's really an amazing book. Motivation. Basically, I'll tell you an example like how I select habits. So I came in a habit of I wanted to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra the entire day. So what I would do is like I do not like to do office work. So what I did, I said to myself, okay, I'll do 1 hour of office work and then I will do 4 hours of chanting. So this way I motivated myself to do the office work. And yes, simple habits, when you stack together, they can have profound effects on yourself. And you never know, anything is possible. The fourth point is, which I learned from Pawan Prabhu, is take notes. Always take notes, even if it is just 1 or 2 points, but do take notes. When after many years, like maybe 1 year, 5 years, or maybe 10 years, or maybe decades later, when you look back at your notes that taken down in a diary, you will actually come to realize that these notes, what you were thinking at that point of time, they have profound effect on you, and you will understand that you are actually your consciousness is actually changing at a very fast pace. But once you realize this, once you realize this, then you come closer to Krishna. That's what I'll say. Just one point. So I qualified JEE in 2005. Many of my relatives and people known and unknown, they came to me and said to me, "How did you qualify JEE?" And I said them just one simple thing. I did not do many questions for preparation of JEE. I just did few questions. I just did few good questions, and I did them many times. So I repeated the things. I practiced it. The practice is the key. So although you don't become Mahabhagavata in day one, right? So you have to practice, and you have to really put your heart and soul into it. With practice, anything is possible, my dear. So and this final point I would like to say. It's a material quote, but you can look at it other way. Learn as if you will live forever. Learn as if you will live forever. Do duty as if you will die the very next moment. You have to. I internalized this thought, and one day during chanting, a thought came to my mind. Atma doesn't die. No work should distract me while chanting. While chanting, always say to your mind, I have all the time in the world to do those other things. Right now, let me chant. Hare Krishna.
कुछ डिवोटीज हैं जो जानना चाहते हैं. अच्छा, now nobody we cannot speak, it's very late, but there are some devotees who are leaving, so just come and collect your gift. So there are some devotees from Dehradun and anyone, and see will not get this opportunity again. ये बार मौका नहीं मिलेगा. तो जो यहाँ पे रुके हैं आज, लंच के बाद हम लोग यहाँ पे तुरंत आ जाएंगे 4:30 बजे. लेकिन जो जा रहे हैं वो आके गिफ्ट कलेक्ट कर ले और हम लोग ठीक लंच के बाद यहाँ पे आएंगे. रघुनाथ
सर का जो लीला पुरुषोत्तम प्रभु लीला पुरुषोत्तम ज्वेलरी शॉप है, उसमें आप सबके सब लोग जो है वो सोने की अशरफियां हो और मैं खोटा सिक्का हूँ. सो प्लीज नेवर गिव अप ऑन मी सर.
अच्छा, thank you Raghunath. He came and took up our deities and he was such a wonderful 3 times Haribol for Raghunath. And all those who are living, please come and take your, you are living. So Mahayagya is working in, have you taken the hoodie? Okay. Thank you Mahayagya. Haribol. देहरादून वाला अभी जाएंगे, अभी निकल रहे हैं. 6 बजे का ट्रेन है, ऐसे कैसे हो गया? लाओ देहरादून. सबका नहीं, एक ही गिफ्ट होगा सर. एक मैं ले जाऊंगा. दे दिया सबको, दे दिया. अच्छा, ये भी दे दिया, ये नहीं दिया.
एक बार देहरादून टीम एक फोटोग्राफ के लिए आ जाए, सब देहरादून डिवोटीज. सब एक बार बैठ जाएं. मैं एक छोटी सी चीज बस बोलना चाहता हूं. एक बार सब बैठ जाएं, सब पिक्चर वाले ही बैठ जाएं, पीछे वाले ही बैठ जाएं.
ठीक है. देहरादून भक्त वृंद हमारा आत्मा है, तो इनके लिए 3 बार हरि बोल. हरि बोल. हरि बोल. हरि बोल. आप सब प्रसाद लिए हो कि नहीं? प्रसाद ले चुके ना? नहीं, उधर लंच ले चुके हो. बढ़िया. हाँ.
मैं बस एक चीज कहना चाहूंगा कि मैं आईआईटी कानपुर में शायद 5-6 दिन से कम ही रहा हूं, तो मुझे सबसे कम सर का एसोसिएशन मिला है. बट ये 5-6 दिन काफी थे समझने के लिए कि अगर मुझे इस्कॉन में किसी को जीवन समर्पित करना है तो वो सर को करना है. तो मेरी आप सबसे आशा है, जिन्होंने 4 दिन 5 दिन से ज्यादा समय लिया, आप ज्यादा समय ना लगाएं और अपना डिसीजन जल्दी लें. और इस ट्रिप के बाद सर को ईमेल जरूर लिखें कैसे आप किसी भी एक बर्डन को साथ में शेयर कर सकते हैं और साथ में सर्व कर सकते हैं. हरे कृष्णा.
हरि बोल. So I wish all of you a safe trip. ट्रेन में सब जा रहे हो, ठीक है ना? हाँ, सब ठंडे पोशाक है, सब है सबको. अच्छा, ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच. ये तो मुझे इतनी डरती है, उसको लगता है कि मैं इसको खा जाऊंगा. अरे क्या रे. हाँ, ये अगर और थोड़ा ज्यादा समय होता तो हम और भी बातें करते हैं. हाँ, जरूर. हाँ, जैसे भक्ति श्री वैष्णव महाराज बोले ना, हर साल में एक बार होगा. हाँ, कभी वृंदावन में करेंगे, कभी देहरादून में करेंगे, कभी ऋषिकेश में करेंगे. ठीक है. हाँ, बस. क्यों? ये तो कल पूरा मुझे गाली दे रही थी. करे बस क्लास ले लेकर हमको मरवा दिया. हाँ, बढ़िया. अभी हाँ,
Manish प्रभु. Sir, Munish प्रभु, Munish Sabharwal प्रभु. So he has also been here for last. ठीक है, बाकी सब डिवोटीज आप अपना बाकी वगैरह जो भी.
ठीक है, तो आप तो यहीं रह रहे हो ना, यहीं पे हो ना, सभी यहीं पे हो ना, तो नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ. ठीक है, फिर धन्यवाद. हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा, हरे हरि बोल. मैं आ रहा हूँ, फिर देहरादून मिलेंगे फिर. ठीक है, हाँ लेंगे. अरे प्रसाद भगवान की कृपा जब है वही प्रसाद होता है. चलिए, ओके. हाँ आज मनीष प्रभु जी, अच्छा इनके लिए लाओ गिफ्ट लाओ.
नहीं प्रभु,
हाँ
आपका गिफ्ट तो मेरे को हॉल मिल ही गया.
नहीं आओ. हाँ तुम्हारा गिफ्ट क्या तुम्हें चाहिए बताओ. थैंक यू सो मच. ये इतनी कम समय रहा कि हम इंटरेक्ट भी नहीं कर पाए ढंग से, मगर आप आए. आप अभी जा रहे हो?
नहीं मैं बाद में जा रहा हूँ, मैं 10 बजे जा रहा हूँ.
तो आप इनको अभी क्यों दे रहा है?
अभी क्यों दे रहे हैं?
अरे वो तो हम आराम से इनको बात करा के. ठीक है, ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. मनीष सती, अरे क्या है, अपना जीवन को पूरा बर्बाद कर रहे हो. तुम्हारा बहन बोला कि मेरा भाई ब्रह्मचारी बनेगा, हैं? और तुम कहाँ भाग रहे हो, हैं? ये क्या कर रहे हो ये, हैं? हाँ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए बताओ. ले, ठीक है, ठीक है. जगदीप प्रभु आप भी जा रहे हो? अभी जा रहे हो सब? अरे थोड़ा इंटरेक्शन के टाइम भी नहीं दिया तुम लोगों ने. चलो ठीक है फिर. हरे कृष्ण. हैं? ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. नितेश, अरे पापा नहीं आए? ठीक है, ठीक है. हरे कृष्ण, हरि बोल. ठीक है.
जिला पुरुषोत्तम प्रभु जी की जय.